Hi, my name is Atul. I own shopfinance.com. A wad of currency notes kept under my pillow does not grow. For money to multiply, it needs application with a firm hand. Velocity of circulation of money creates growth, meaning that money moves within the economy, from banks to the employee salary, to supermarket purchases, to suppliers' invoices, to transportation gas, and finally returns back to the employee in the form of salary. The speed at which this circulation takes place promotes growth. Similarly, volatility in price movements creates growth. Like the wheels of a cycle which rotate up and down provide a forward thrust to the cycle, big price movements create investor interest. This helps the economy move and our investments to grow. For our retirement savings in RRSPs, TFSAs, RIFs, etc., we need to make bold portfolio choices. What is the value of my money? Put $10,000 into a bank savings account. At the end of the year, the account will show an $80 gain at 0.8%. This means doubling your money every 90 years. But you have only 40 years of working life, don't you? Unsecured borrowing of $10,000 from a bank credit card loan will result in an annual interest payment of $2,800 at 28%. The difference between what we earn on a savings account and what we pay into a credit card loan is staggering, 27.2%. There is an obvious disconnect. There has to be a better way to earn this market return. 90% of the businesses declare bankruptcy in the first 4 years of operation. Do you know why? Because they could not earn 40% on their invested capital. The shortfall in expenses is met by using the lines of credit and credit cards. After 4 such years of insolvency, they declare bankruptcy. Successful businesses earn 40% or more on their invested capital. We buy their stocks, bonds, and mutual funds. Banks have huge spreads between their savings and loans. How much working life do you have? How much money do you need to accumulate for your retirement? Do you need to double your money in a shorter space of time? When will you take the first step?